Hello and welcome to this video in which we shall discuss calculating higher derivatives. So again, here we want to get f double dash of x. So what's f double dash of x? So you have f of x, you differentiate once, you get f dash of x. You differentiate again, you get f double dash of x. Let's try this out here. So for this function, f dash of x will be negative 4 times negative 1 over 4. So negative 4 times negative 1 over 4. This gives me positive 1. So 1 x power negative 5. How did I get negative 5? I reduced the power by 1. So negative 4 minus 1 gives me negative 5. And then minus, and then 3 over 10x just becomes 3 over 10 without the x. And then this is a number, so it's just 0. And then we have plus x power 2, which is 2x. Now we want to get f double dash of x. So we're going to differentiate again. We're going to differentiate the function that we already got. So for this one, we have negative 5 times 1, which is negative 5, x power negative 6. We reduce the power by 1 again. And then this becomes 0. And then finally, this becomes plus 2. So the final answer is negative 5x power negative 6. Let's write that down. Negative 5x power negative 6 plus 2. And this is the final answer. Let's try another example. Again, we want to get f dash first. So f dash equals, we multiply the power by the number. If you multiply those two, you get negative 2. You reduce the power by 1, so x power 2. Minus, you multiply those together. 2 times half is just 1. X power 2 becomes x power 1. Minus, and then 1 over 3 times the power, which is 6, gives me 2. And I reduce the power by 1, so I get x power 5. Let's differentiate again. So multiply those two together, you get negative 4x. Here, this becomes minus 1. Minus, and then you multiply, so you get 10x. Excuse me, you get 10x power 4. So minus 4x minus 1 minus 10x to the power of 4. Let's try a third example. So here we have f dash of x, which is these two multiplied together. So this is negative 1, x to the power of negative 3. And then multiply these together, you get 20 over 6, x to the power of 3. And then this is just 0. Differentiate again. So these multiply together give me 3, x power negative 4. And then I can actually simplify here. I can write 10 over 3. And then multiply 3 by 10 over 3. So 3 times 10 over 3. And multiplying by the power. This just gives me 10. So plus 10 x power 2. So we have here 3x power negative 4 plus 10x power 2. And this is correct as well. So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope this has been beneficial. Thank you for watching.